miserable. Not having fun. I don't like it anymore.
Is that a misfire right there? It's never been fully dialed.
And then you can just put an LS in it.
Dude, I don't even know. I don't even know where to think.
New car?
No. I've never launched this X3. How to launch X3M comp.
Oh shit!
Dude, that launched harder than I thought it was.
Dude, way harder than I thought.
That was kind of sick.
Yeah.
Lose your hat.
Dude, it blew up.
My friend Abe just got a 570S, and he claims he could beat the 135. But you know, I can't let that happen. I got to see if I can gap him.
Sure.
For me? No. I have an alignment today at 5. I got to change wastegate springs. I got to do an oil change, oil filter, put E in it, and retune it, and then I'm ready to race.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, that's all.
Oh. Every time.
Well, it starts.
10% of the time, it works every time.
That's so hard, dude. Oh my god. Am I turning it the right way?
No shit.
Oh no. Well, now it is. Oh.
Only 1,000 days past service. Can't be that cool. She's been inside.
Oh my god. I got downpipes for the X3 that I'm going to install. It'll be interesting to see how much louder those make the X3 because it made this car way louder. This is my first time driving the W205 C63 with tune and downpipe. Oh god. She rips. I like this car a lot. I just went and got the alignment. It wasn't too far off, but every time I did a pull, it would kind of sway to the right. After doing the toe arms, there was a few degrees of toe out. It was enough to where it was pretty off. Pulled a little bit of camber out of the rears. Degree of negative camber on the front left, no camber in front right. So we got it just as close as we could using the stock adjustments. Can't really test it yet and see if it feels better until we fix the wastegate springs tonight.
This is for all the people on TikTok that tell me I don't work on my own car. I wish I did. That means I have enough money to pay somebody. Dude, these fucking vacuum lines were put on here by Hulk.
Nice.
One wastegate's off. I'm gonna get the other one off and then we're gonna change these springs.
We'll see where gate pressure's at, meaning see how much boost it makes just on spring. It should be right around the 15 mark, but we'll see. I'm gonna do a 3rd gear log, send it to my tuner, make sure he can look at it and tell me everything's okay before I try to beat on it. Start log. It seems smooth. It hooked. Misfire right there. So sketchy. I don't want to blow everything up, dude. Boost is the blue line. Yeah, it held 19 pounds the whole time. So that's our gate pressure. That is 19. Last update from my tuner that I got was that the car was misfiring. He told me to check the plugs and re-gap them a little bit tighter. I told him I had just put plugs in like literally 50 miles ago and he still said to check them, so that's what I'm doing. Gapped them at 20 thousandths and he told me to gap them at 18 thousandths. I don't know if 2 thousandths makes a difference, but I'll listen to him, I guess. I ain't never ran from a...
You sang the whole song earlier.
If I did, cut my legs off. Dude, this thing's gonna never run.
It ran this morning.
Well, I mean, like, it's not actually gonna run.
Or walked.
Yeah, it's kind of a walker, you know?
Yeah.
Like, it runs, but it doesn't run.
It'll walk you.
That's not gonna walk anybody. So I'd be surprised if spark plugs fixed it. But I'd also be really surprised if it was my injectors, because they're brand new Index 12s. I mean, what, 2,000 miles on them? And then I'd also be surprised if it was the ignition coils, because those are new too. So something's defective, because those are like the three things. That wasn't good. You hear that? Yeah. Sounds cool, but it's probably not good for it.
Sounds really good though.
Sweet, I didn't fix it. The fuck's rattling up there? I kind of fixed it actually.
I think it just kind of sound deadening.
Mechanic.
Yeah.
I hate this. This is awkward. I'm sorry. I spent all my money on my car. That actually felt good.
Yeah.
Unsuccessful.
It feels nice though, aside from the misfire.
What are the chances this thing's fixed? 0. Dude, what the fuck? And it doesn't give me any code. How am I supposed to know where it's misfiring if I don't get a code? Dude, I want to break it. That was so bad for it, dude. I should not have done that. I'm just mad at it. Dude, so I just read codes on my MHD and it said oil, and then I look and the car is showing that it's fucking empty. Where did it go?
Pretty good spot.
It's not leaking, is it? How is it empty? Where'd the oil, is it leaking? How is it empty? It's calculating again.
There's no trail behind the car.
No. Yeah, just take it back to your house, I guess. Make sure to film the whole time if it blows up. Oh no, it just stops the procedure?
What, the calculating oil?
Yeah.
It's like, fuck it, you obviously don't care.
Yeah, honestly. I don't think there's no oil in it. Oh my god, I'm sick of this thing. Could the sensor be bad? Because it had a ton of oil in it a little bit ago. And no leak.
You would think it would definitely be running hot if it was dry.
Yeah, I'd have a check engine light and no oil pressure.
And you were sitting on the fucking limiter.
That wasn't me. Do you think since it was sitting down for so long,
On a slope.
that it recognized that right when I turned it on? Dude, this car actually sucks. Like, I'm over it. I wanted to build something cool.
Where is it?
And it didn't turn out cool. Like, honestly, like I love this car, but it frustrates me so much. There's always something wrong. If you build something right, it should work. In this car, I really do feel like I built correctly, and it's been through so many revisions, and I've used nice parts, and it still doesn't run right. And I don't think it ever will.
It's a lemon.
Okay, so the car is just stupid, because look. Oil level is okay. Wait, that was actually good. Dude.
Feels great.
Yeah, you see that kid run out?
No.
Yeah, he ran out of the driveway to look. It actually fucking didn't misfire. Well, it's just gonna make 400 horsepower forever, but it's fine. Emotional roller coaster.
You looked like you were ready to start crying in the beginning of the video. Now you're just stoked.
30 seconds ago, I was pulled over on the side of the road with no oil. Now, no, it fucking misfired! Unfortunately, I don't know what to do. This has been about a month of filming this video, hoping that I would get the car to run right so I could have good content at the end of the video. And no matter what I do, and no matter what I change, it's not fixed. I feel like I've gone through everything and I just can't get it to run right, so unfortunately I don't know what to do and I have to leave it here. So if anybody has recommendations on what I should do, please let me know, because right now I'm stuck and the thing just misfires. That's all I got for this car right now. I promise you guys, the next time you see it, it will be running right. I will not post a video of this car until it is running right after this one. I got X3 content coming, truck content. I got new videos going up every other Thursday so I can stay consistent. That's it for this thing for now, unfortunately. I will see you guys in the next one.